Are you wondering how to verify an Amazon associate account and you've been trying for quite some time and it's not possible? Because some people have been having problems in terms of verifying their Amazon associate account. So if you're outside the US and you're having problems in terms of signing up for Amazon affiliate or Amazon associate account, then this video is for you. My name is Francis Abogonye and I do videos such as entrepreneurship tips, how to make money online, and all those cool tricks and hacks that can help you through your entrepreneurial journey. So if you like videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so that you're notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts and your concerns, or where you're having problems or having any issues in terms of entrepreneurship. I'll be here to help you through any difficulties you are having. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic of today, and I'll be showing you guys how to register an Amazon associate account and scale through that verification process even as a beginner, or even if it has been giving you problems for a long time. Like me, I've been having problems before when I was starting out in terms of verifying my Amazon account, until I discovered the procedure, or it's a trick that I use to get past that method. Alright, without any further ado, let's jump right into my computer and I'll be showing you guys this trick, or this step by step on how I verify my Amazon account from the beginning to the end. So first off, here we're on Google. We're just going to search affiliate marketing. Let's just take a recap on affiliate marketing, because some people are new here and some people don't know anything about affiliate marketing or what we're talking about. So I'll just go with the word affiliate marketing. Let's see what it's about. A brief definition of affiliate marketing. Let's just see what's here. Neil Patel's site is talking about. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's, it can be either company or an individual product. You can find you find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit from each sales that you make. So this is what affiliate marketing is all about. If you're just a beginner and you're having complications understanding what affiliate marketing is all about. So now what we're looking at is how to verify or register an Amazon associate account. So just go to Amazon. Let's just Google Amazon affiliate. Or we'll just go to Amazon.com. Let's just Google Amazon. Let's just say you're a beginner. Let's just do this like a beginner. Let's just Google Amazon and see what comes up. This is Amazon. Click Amazon, go to the website. So we want to be making money with Amazon. So we're going to scroll down to this section right here and come to this area where they say become an affiliate. We're going to click on it. It comes up like this. Join now for free. You click join now for free. You're going to commission. This comes up. If you already have an existing account, you can just sign in right here. But if you're new, just click this create your Amazon account. So I'm just going to put in names. I'm going to run through this process. I'm just going to fast forward this process because you can follow up with this. It's very, very easy. What you can do, just fill a form. It's that easy. Just fill a form and follow the process as you go along the way. I'm going to stop at the area where they say verify your Amazon associate account, where you have they have to call you on your phone to give you the verification code. That's where I'm going to stop.
Let's go.
problems with and complications with on how to verify their Amazon account. So if you're on Android, you just go to Google Play Store. Where's my Google Play Store? Right here. Just click it. Or if you're on iOS, go to the Apple App Store to do this. So when you get to this section right here, you're going to look for an app called Text Plus app. Text Plus. It's a free app. It's a free tool. It's a mobile app. They give you a US phone number that you can use to verify your Amazon account. All you have to do is just to put the number they're going to give you on this section right here. Once you put the number right here, they're going to call you, and it's going to be easy for you to verify, because if you're using your own number in your own country, and maybe you have a phone screening service that will not allow this to the call to pass through. But this app or this tool will help you scale that process, or to scale through that process you're having difficulties with, and you just verify your Amazon account, and you'll be happy at the end of the day. So this Text Plus app, which you can find on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, will help you verify this process on your Amazon Associate account. So that'll be all for today's video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and tick that notification bell so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. I mostly do entrepreneurial videos like this that will help you through your entrepreneurial journey. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you guys about what you think about this video. And below on the description, there are some list of books I recommend for you to read as an entrepreneur that will help you through your entrepreneurial journey, to help you stay in that mindset that helps you overcome procrastination, and to stay persistent and focus on what you're doing to achieve your goal. That will be all for now, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.